Today, let's talk about something a lot of beginners get confused about, especially people making music or recording vocals on their phone or laptop, and that is the difference between a sound card and an audio interface. A lot of people think they are the same thing, but trust me, they are not. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Now, first of all, what is a sound card? A sound card is a small device mostly used for live streaming, online chatting, karaoke, and simple vocal recording. Examples are V8, V9, BM sound cards, and others like that. These sound cards usually come with built-in effects like echo, reverb, robot voice, applause, and all those funny effects. Once you plug it in, it starts working immediately. No stress, no setup. That's why a lot of people like using sound cards. But here's the thing. Even though sound cards are easy to use, the sound quality is not really professional. Most sound cards use 3.5mm microphone inputs, and the mic preamp inside is very weak. That's why recordings from sound cards usually sound thin, noisy, and sometimes distorted. They are okay for live videos and fun stuff, but not really for serious music production. Now let's talk about an audio interface. An audio interface is a device made for professional recording and music production. Examples are Focusrite, Behringer, M-Audio, and many others. If you're recording songs, making beats, mixing, mastering, or running a home studio, this is what you're supposed to use. Audio interfaces use XLR microphone inputs, and they have strong mic preamps inside. They also provide 48-volt phantom power, which condenser microphones need to work properly. When you record with an audio interface, the sound comes out clean, clear, and full. No unnecessary noise, no harsh distortion. What you record is exactly what you hear. Another big difference is effects. Sound cards add effects by themselves. Once you turn the knob, the effect is already inside your voice. With an audio interface, there are no built-in effects. Everything is recorded clean, and you add effects later inside your DAW. This gives you more control and better results. So the big question is, can you actually hear the difference between a sound card and an audio interface? Yes. Even with the same microphone, an audio interface will always sound better. The vocals will be clearer, easier to mix, and more professional. That's why all studios use audio interfaces and not sound cards. Now, which one should you choose? If you're doing Facebook Live, TikTok Live, online chatting, or you just want something cheap with fun effects, a sound card will work for you. But if you're serious about music, recording songs, making beats, or building a small home studio, then an audio interface is the better choice. It might be more expensive, but the sound quality is worth it. So in simple terms, sound cards are made for convenience and fun, while audio interfaces are made for quality and professional work. If this video helped you understand the difference, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which one you're currently using and what kind of content you create. I'll see you in the next video.